This 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite 36 FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features a harvest interior, sleeps 7, TV, microwave, water heater, oven, LP detector, leveling jacks, smoke detector, slide-out, TV antenna, awning, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, couples coach, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, mid-bath, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite 36 Florida is 12,954 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.